okay. I'm not confident about this trade. Now it's like, I don't know why I even took it. I'm not confident about this trade, but I'm in this trade. I think it's gonna stop me out, to be honest. Like, it had a semi-good reaction, but yeah, I think this might stop me out. Where the EMAs are here, it's not really pulled. The only thing I have is like, okay, price made a high, price was low, and then price kind of came back down, retested it. And you know what I mean? Like, so this would be a play that I would be interested in, but like, because we have gaps down here. Well, price kind of filled in that gap, but yeah, I don't know. I think because price broke all the structure, coming down, coming up or something, whatever. And so yeah, I mean, if it gives us a clear way, you know, I definitely do want to at least try to hold this for a little bit more than what I would usually, because I want to cover the cost of data, because that shit is $19, so $20, so it's like, I don't know, we'll see. This is not a good rejection for price, but let's see what happens. Today is the 1st of April, so today's the beginning of the 3rd month of me recording and documenting everything. Yeah. Am I nervous? I am nervous a little bit, but at this point it's kind of like, I already calculated my risk. I already know at the end of the day what my account will look like if and when I lose. It's going to be down to 704 because this is like a $20 trade, and then the market data, the monthly thing, the market data and the something fee is $19 in total. So I really, like, if this goes well, like, I really want to hold it for, you know, something more than a 1-to-1. I mean, to just cover the $40 dollars. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like, I want to go for like a 1-to-2 if, you know, they give me. But we need to break past this 13 EMA, please, Lord. Please close past the 13 EMA, please, Lord. Bless me. All right. No, but it's okay. At first, I'm not gonna lie, I thought this was a shit trade until like I inverted the chart, and I was like, you know what, I think this is actually a pretty good trade, because price was going lower, then price broke all of that structure, and then it created a demand zone. This is inverted, and yeah, so we got a tap. There's no candle that closed within the zone. It's not that I think of. Yeah, nah. So yeah, so we have 18 seconds, and this candle's not looking good for our favor, but yeah. Oh, here we go. Might get stopped out here. Oh, 1 second. Oh yeah, that's cooked. We're cooked. Why is it frozen? I got my stop in already, so if they don't fuck with us, I'm done for the day, to be honest. Like, I'm done for the day, cause yeah, at 13 EMA, man, that shit, oh damn, this sucks. We got that 200 right there. They not fucking with us, bro. Nah, it's sticking onto that price, man. It's sticking. Like, unless we get a closure above the 13 MA, I think we cooked on this one. Oh, yeah, we're cooked. Alright, we got stopped out. Fuck, that sucks. Okay, so our account is down to $21 right there. We're cooked. Yeah, okay. Alright, so Damn. It's just like that. I don't, was this a bad trade to take? Let me see. If you look at the 1 hour, it looks like we have, you know, bullish structure. If you flip it, it's like price is bullish. There, the only thing that could be like, oh well, is the fact that, you know, price broke past this this market structure point right here. So let's say if you were looking at it, and the thing is, it's like, yeah, that happened, but then price went like this, to then go here. So then I was thinking to go up, continue up. You know what I mean? So if I take that away, I thought that that's what was about to happen, but I guess it's because it just, you know, it's whatever. Okay, I want to be honest here. It's like, I want to continue trading. Like, I'm glad that this is being recorded. You see me staring at price. I'm just like, I just feel like it still want to go up. Like, and I don't care about what I feel, but it's like, you know, when you just look at something and you're like, bro, I think I'm gonna go in again. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry to this account, bro. I think I might go in. It gotta close though. It got, like, I'll wait for the candle close, cause I ain't doing that fake shit. Okay, I lied. Wait. Let me check and do this real quick. Trading. Nothing about anything. 28 seconds. It really need to close. I will wait for a candle closure on this one. If it closes above, I'm going. 13. 10. Okay, this one look kind of good. All right. I'm back in. I'm back in. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Sorry to this account. Maybe I'm just a sore loser. I don't know. It just looked good. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Now my heart is beating because I just re-entered in after losing. Because off of a feeling, bro. Like, this is troubling, bro. Alright, my account is gonna be down to like 600. Okay, let's talk about my emotions. Let's talk about, okay, hesitation, FOMO, over leveraged. Let's just talk about that, because this shit is like kind of bad, bro. Like, it just closed above. Wait. Bro. Am I a sore loser? Damn, bro. Like, I just did that. Like, I just entered in another trade after losing. Just because I felt like it wants to go up. Just because of a feeling, bro. Like, I'm with a start to April. With a start to April. You know what? This is what we have to go through. Everything, this is what we have to go through. We just believe in it a little too much, and that's the scary part, bro. I wanted to, like, now I gotta cover some losses and shit. Do I have my stop? Okay, at least I had the stop, bro. I don't know, man. It is what it is. Yes, sir. It's just like, I'm just looking at it. I'm like, bro, like, why would it continue to stop dropping if it wants to go down? And why would it make higher highs if it wants to go down? Keep in mind, we do have this gap right here. That price hasn't filled up all the way, right? So I'm just like, I don't know. It just make more sense to go for a buy here than a sell in my head. But this could be the detriment to my entire account balance. So let's peep. So we lost $21. Okay, so we lost $21 and we're gonna lose $19. So I need at least $40 of profit to cover the loss that we just took and also the fees that we will endure. I want to go for like a 1 to 2, like real shit. Like, and this basically is a breakout. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you. And actually, I might just fucking hold this. I don't know, am I greedy? Am I greedy? Maybe a little bit, but I might hold this. I don't know. Listen, the account is gonna be down. Let's calculate that. So right now it's at 7. I don't know, because we up a little bit, so it's, where were we? We were like at 7. Let's just say we was at 720, because I really don't remember. If we was at 720 after the loss, then we're gonna have another one right here. That's the data. Then we got this. It's $33. Then we got, okay. Then we got like let's do $9 fees, commission fees. So our account will probably be down to $6.59 if we lose. Damn, down. But honestly, you know, at this point, it's like, I believe in myself. I believe in my capabilities. I don't do the best shit, but I can come back. Like, I'm not even worried anymore. It's the craziest thing. It's like, I'm not nervous. Like, I can still very much lose. I have my stop loss right here because I know that I can lose any trade. But it's like, I'm not nervous right now. It's just kind of like, and guess what? I'll show back again Thursday, Friday, try to build it back up. And then the next Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm gonna be here doing the same thing. So it's really not much for me to worry about because I believe in myself enough that I will be back. Like, what is there to lose, to be honest? Like, and I don't know. This candle is not good. I don't like that candle. That candle's kind of shit. But the 13 EMA, everybody underneath it now. Yo, I'm crying. We were like, let's wait till the candle closure. I'm crying. And this is basically a breakout. This is not even supply and demand anymore. It's supply and demand, but we took it like a breakout because we needed the 13 EMA to be like, we need that candle to close above the 13 EMA. It might not do what we wanted to do, but again, we is prepared. We got the whole fucking thing here. And yeah, I mean, the thing that we got on our side, I guess, is the fact that this is a 15-minute demand as well, high probability as well on the higher time frames. We got price closing above the 13 EMA on the 15-minute. We got the 1 hour as bullish. Price still above it. 200 underneath. Like, it's the only thing that's really saying like buy. I mean, we got some good confluences, but this shit look bad right now. This is for my psychology. Oh shit. Got the 200 EMA right there. This is for my psychology, bro. Hold on. Oh, fucking A, man. Alright, bro. I really thought that shit was gonna hit. Okay. Well, they said fuck us. That shit really looked clean. Wow. Okay, so we took a bigger hit than we needed to. So our account is at $700. So we lost $52 today. And we're gonna lose another 19 tomorrow. 700 minus 19 minus, let's do another 9. So our account probably gonna be at like 672 tomorrow when we wake up. All right, well, that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. All right, you watch me lose twice in a row, so that's always fun. But yeah, how do I feel? I do feel sad. You know, it's like, damn, like I lost twice, thinking that I was going to win both times. On the same setup, well, different ways, but on the same kind of thing, and yeah, I am sad. Yeah, but I wasn't nervous. My heart is not like beating fast out of my chest, and yeah, but I do feel like damn, because it's like, this is not even the end of my day, this is the beginning of it, and now I gotta go to work knowing that I lost twice, and also starting the month red. So there's a lot going on psychologically, but yeah, not even gonna lie, I want to cry a little bit, but there's really no tears. But it's like, I want that feeling of like wanting to cry is like right here. But all right, ain't nothing I could do. I'm not trading again. This is crazy. All right, you know, and to be fair, not the best kind of price action to be trading, to be honest. I mean, I had the EMAs, like I like really thought like, oh, this looked like a 13 EMA breakout, like looks good, but price is not on our side. Yeah, watch, probably later in the day it's gonna be like amazing setup. All right, I'm just pissed, but whatever. All right, hope you guys enjoyed. Gonna put this on my P&L calendar. $50, yay. All right, whatever, bye.